Now we are discussing about a topic that is Hismile. The his smile means Hismile, Hismile, Hismile. The Hismile teeth whitening kit. It is a healthcare product. It is a teeth whitening kit. It is the world's most advanced home teeth whitening kit. Achieve brighter, whiter teeth at home in just 6 days. It is becoming most popular by this purpose. Do Hismile actually work? So, does the Hismile teeth whitening kit actually work? Yes. And the ingredients are backed by clinical trials. However, it is normal for individual results to vary. Most people see an important improvement with just 1 or 2 days of treatment, while others need 3 or more. Does Hismile damage your teeth? Together with other components, the formula ensures maximum whitening effects without damaging your teeth. Therefore, the Hismile range of products doesn't harm your teeth, while formulas with hydrogen peroxide are the active ingredient. Next point is, how long does Hismile keep your teeth white? In the FAQ section of their website, they say that results are expected to last anywhere between 2 weeks and 3 weeks, that they recommend to do a top-up treatment with more gel that you have to purchase every 2 weeks. Next point is, what do celebrities use for white teeth? Veneers. If you use celebrities with perfectly white, straight and uniform looking teeth, they likely have veneers. Unlike teeth whitening, veneers are more permanent. There are various types of materials used, but porcelain and composite are the most common types. Do I wish my mouth? Next point is, do I wish my mouth after Hismile? Do I wash my mouth? Do I wash my mouth after Hismile? Leave in until the device automatically powers off after 10 minutes. Expel any excess gel and rinse mouth thoroughly with water. And the next point is, do you browse after using Hismile? Yes, you will still need to brush your teeth, as your teeth whitening kit doesn't replace your daily oral hygiene routine. We suggest brushing your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Yes, you will still need to brush your teeth, as our teeth whitening kit doesn't replace your daily oral hygiene routine. And the next point is, should I use Hismile every day? Hismile encourages regular use of its products. It says the results will last 3 to 4 weeks and recommends you do a single treatment every 2 weeks. Next point is, can teeth be permanently whitened? Unfortunately, teeth whitening is not permanent. The length of your results will depend on your unique case, but typically teeth whitening can last anywhere from a few months to 3 years. And next point is, can you drink coffee after Hismile? The lead lighting does have to have the batteries filled around and put in properly the first time, but it is nothing too complex. It is recommended that you don't drink wine, coffee or tea before and after application, alongside dark colored foods. So we can take tea, coffee and all these also, but at the time of application, before 10 minutes and after 10 minutes, we should not take tea, coffee and all these things, and cleaning and all these things. If anything, at the time of morning, you can clean your teeth with brush and all this. It is common. Even after Hismile using also for whitening, you can clean every day your teeth with brush accurately without any doubt, even though that whiteness will not go. This is the information and significance of Hismile. Wishing you all the best.